Welcome to Tel Aviv. It's Purim time. Look how beautiful are the garbage trucks. It's kind of a carnival, but in a good way, and traveling all over the city of Tel Aviv. It's nice to see it, you know, in those. It's not an easy time in Israel, but Purim, we are must to be happy. A little bit of touch and it looks so beautiful, I must say. Happy Purim to everyone. Purim, it's because, you know, the Jews are suffering a lot from horrible people. Iran is one of them, and many years ago, there was a horrible guy, I call it kind of a terrorist, who decided to kill all the Jews in all the Persian Empire, 127 countries, to kill them in one day. It could be the first Holocaust of the Jews, but it's not different than the time of today, with Iran of today. Then, as you know, the story of the Book of Esther, the Jews of course won, and as you know, the Jews won now again, and the terrorists of Palestine, which are the servants of Iran, lost. And it's a very good reason to celebrate that. Happy Purim to everyone who celebrate that holiday. We are at Dizengoff Street. It's one of the main streets of Tel Aviv, with a lot of boutique shops. You can see that some of the people are dressed. He took my tiara. They're dressed for Purim. Later on, I will continue to a street party with beautiful costumes that you will see, and it's a must in Israel this year, and actually every year. It's a must to be different, change to something else, and you will see so many beautiful costumes. Then don't forget to dress up and follow my videos. Thank you from Tel Aviv.